The Opportunity Mars Exploration Rover was launched by NASA on July 7, 2003, from Cape Canaveral, Florida, along with its twin rover, Spirit.
With Opportunity, a chance to explore and unlock the secrets of our neighboring planet.
Mars has always been a topic of interest for humans. Its bright red color is visible to the naked eye. In many early religions, Mars played an important role, such as the god of war. In the 1880s, telescopic observations revealed canal-like patterns on Mars, causing the public to fantasize and speculate about the possibility of Martians or life on Mars. Opportunity and Spirit were the second rovers to arrive on Mars, after NASA's Pathfinder mission in 1996. Pathfinder was less about scientific exploration of Mars and more of a test run for future missions to the planet, NASA specifically describing it as a technology demonstration. Spirit and Opportunity, twin rovers, were the next steps laid out by Pathfinder, with more specific scientific objectives. Opportunity landed on Mars on January 25, 2004. It landed in the Meridiani Planum, which is a large plain located near Mars's equator. Opportunity's mission was planned to last only 90 days, but ended up lasting for over 15 years. Opportunity broke the record for farthest extraterrestrial travel, traversing over 26 miles or 42 kilometers. Opportunity's payload consisted of many instruments to investigate the geology of Mars. A payload refers to all of the scientific instruments on the rover. Opportunity's payload consists of a panoramic camera, 3 types of spectrometers, which observe and determine the composition of rocks and other materials, magnets, a microscopic imager for up-close viewing, a rock abrasion tool to break up rocks, hazard avoidance cameras, and navigation cameras. Spirit, being Opportunity's twin rover, has the exact same payload, but instead landed elsewhere on Mars to provide observation and analysis in a different location. Opportunity was primarily a geologist, with a goal of studying rocks and minerals on Mars. It had specific mission goals to find evidence of water, either currently or in the past, look for certain rocks and soil types to analyze, and take pictures of surrounding areas and rocks. Opportunity was pretty successful in finding signs of water. It found tons of these hematite spheres, nicknamed blueberry fields, which are only capable in forming in shallow depths of water. It also found an abundance of clays, which have a neutral to low pH and other conditions that could possibly host life. Opportunity also found geographical features, like sediment deposits, that point to past water. The rover additionally found evidence that the past water was salty, Mars's climate was warmer in the past, allowing for liquid water, and that there was ancient volcanic activity. By the end of its mission, Opportunity had traveled over 45 kilometers before a dust storm ended its operation. Its final communication with Earth was on June 10, 2018. NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab attempted to communicate with Opportunity on February 13, 2019. Opportunity was unable to communicate back and therefore completed its mission on February 13, 2019, and is no longer operational. Opportunity's findings proved the water hypothesis on Mars, which was a hypothesis that Mars once had liquid water on the planet, which could have hosted life. But still, there are questions that remain. What happened to the water on Mars? How long ago did water exist? When and how did water form on Mars? Are there other conditions on Mars that point to signs of life? And most importantly, was there once life on Mars? And if so, what did this life look like? All these questions set up future missions to Mars, such as NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers, with specific mission objectives and payloads to search for organic materials on Mars and other evidence of life on the planet. Opportunity's significant contributions to Mars exploration paves the way for future discoveries about the planet, giving us an opportunity to better understand Mars and our place in the solar system.